Now we're going to look at solving inequalities by multiplication and division. So again, just like we do with an equality, if each side of a true inequality is multiplied or divided by the same positive number, and that's going to become important, the resulting inequality is also true. So for example, if I have x divided by 3 is greater than 7, if I multiply both sides by 3 to solve the inequality, I get x is greater than 21. And again, we can graph this like we did the lessons yesterday. Now, what we have to be careful of is when we multiply or divide by a negative number. If each side of a true inequality, I keep writing that as two words, is multiplied or divided by the same negative number, the direction of the inequality must be reversed so that the resulting inequality is also true. So if I have negative 2/5 p is less than negative 14, if I multiply both sides by negative 5/2, this becomes 1p. This side will become positive 35, and I have to flip the inequality. So in order for negative 2/5 p to be less than 14, p has to be greater than 35. Let's look at one more of those. If p divided by negative 2 is less than 4, if I multiply both sides by negative 2, p will be greater than negative 8. And you can always test this by putting numbers back in. Remember, my original was p over negative 2 is less than 4. My answer says it should be greater than negative 8. So a number greater than negative 8 might be something like negative 6. So if I try that, I will get a number that is less than 4. Okay? So, whoops. Oh, that should not have been it. So, dividing by a positive number. So if each side is divided, well, goodness. Let's see if I can go back. Okay, let's try this. If each side is divided by, and apparently I forgot to do the rest of my slides, so dividing by a positive number, and this is going to read very similarly to the others, if each side of a true inequality is divided by a positive number, then the resulting inequality is also true. So 3x is less than 12, divide by 3, x is less than 4. Now, we're going to do the same thing here with a negative number. So I'm going to erase and rewrite, but you guys can do anew because I'm out of slides. Dividing by a negative number, if each side of a true inequality is divided by a negative number, and you're rewriting all of this, okay, then the direction of the inequality symbol must be reversed. so that the resulting inequality is also true. So that the resulting inequality is also true. So negative 4x is greater than 12. Since I'm dividing by a negative number, I have to flip the inequality and get x is less than negative 3. So when we're multiplying and dividing, if it were multiplying or dividing by a positive number, we're fine. We handle it just the way we did equations. But if we're multiplying or dividing by a negative, you have to flip the inequality in order for the statement to be true. All right, sorry about the lack of slides, but I think we got okay, and that's it.